you ready to slap on that hot aftermarket carb but want to keep your PCV system on your 20R or 22R? Grab our PCV Relocation Kit. Consisting of a relocation plate, gasket, MPT hose barb, and mounting hardware, this kit will allow you to run the rear PCV connection that was built into the stock carb base plate. The kit mounts where the EGR crossover tube will connect to your intake manifold and is made of 6061 T6 aluminum plate in our facility in the USA. Brought to you by the people specializing in your Toyota since 1985, LC Engineering Performance Toyota.